Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Take a look at what we have for you today. This is a 2023 Chevy Silverado Custom Trail Boss 4x4 Z71 Crew Cab. That is a mouthful of a title, but it's a mouthful of truck. It is absolutely an amazing find. How about this color? This has the appearance package, convenience package, and the trailering package as well. We are going to take you on a tour as if you were here with us in person, so you can get a great look at this Silverado right from the comfort of your own home. Now, I mean, I said it once, I said it again, look at the color on this Silverado. This is absolutely gorgeous. It is something to be seen, really, when you see it in person with all these black accents. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Now, what is underneath the hood? We have the 5.3 liter V8 engine connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Of course, it's 4x4, and as I mentioned, this has the trailering package, so you can tow 11,000 pounds with this. 11,000 pounds. It's a fantastic option if you need to tow something. But I mean, even if you don't, even if you're just buying a pickup truck because you like the way they look, my gosh, this one looks incredible. We're going to show you the inside because this is a 6-passenger Silverado in just a moment. But first, we're going to continue our tour on the outside here. Now, we've got these fantastic looking 18-inch alloy wheels, nice black. And then look at the absolutely brand new rubber on here. Look, the sticker is still on. So we got brand new rubber, and then we've got the beefed up suspension with the Trail Boss Z71 package. So I mean, this is ready to do some off-roading. Look at the gap between the tire and the fender. It's got a great clearance on it. Z71 badge up top. We've got these side steps to help the little ones get in to the back seat. And then let's just take a step back. We got to take a far step back to get this all in view. And then as we come around the back, that trailering package gives you a beefed up rear axle, beefed up rear suspension. Have a look at that back here. All right, so that's allowing you to tow all that weight, and then you got the Trail Boss logo up top. Now, around the back, great looking taillights, side step bumper. We have the dual exhaust, the tow hitch receiver, integrated trailer brake controller, Chevrolet stamped in the back of the tailgate, and then we have the easy tailgate as well, so dampened tailgate, one hand back up. We've got the bed liner in here. All right, so look at this, looks brand new. We also have a 400 watt, 120 volt power outlet in the back. That's enough juice to power up a table saw and all the tools, or if you're camping, all your camping gear, whatever you like. Again, one hand back up. I can't stress how light that tailgate is. And then coming around the passenger side here so you can take another great look at this. Now, this is a certified pre-owned vehicle, so with that, you're gonna have a 150-point inspection over and above the safety inspection. You have 3 months or 5,000 kilometers of limited comprehensive warranty. You're gonna have a 30-day or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege, although who would ever do that with this beautiful truck, and a 3-month Sirius satellite radio trial as well. Now up front, look at these gorgeous headlights, Chevrolet big front grille, and then taking a step back. Love the red recovery hooks with that, again, piano black front bumper, the Z71 logo, and then look at this. Look at how beautiful this looks. Oh man, I'm in love with this truck. It's so nice. It is just so nice. The way it sits up nice and tall with this red and the Z71, man, oh man, what a head turner. All right, let's go look in the back seats. Look at all the room we have back here. So if you are using this for work, maybe carry a couple guys to a work site, I mean, you've got more than enough room to do that. Great looking seats as well. These flip up in case you need some more room back here. All right, and then in the front. So as I mentioned, this is the 6-passenger version, so that middle seat there does fold up. I've left it down just to show you kind of the center console. We have a power driver seat here as well. So this is kind of your center console with the seat down. And then I'll show you here, if I get rid of these keys and flip this up, this is what we look like when we have that center seat up. So it's kind of a little jump seat here, just in case you need that room. But we're gonna flip this back down. That's the file. I'm gonna review that with you in a second or two here. Just trying to find, where's my little pull tab? Well, we'll hop in and I'll show you. Anyway, hard to see it when I'm sitting down so low because you do gotta jump up to get in this truck. It's nice. All right, so up front here, we've got a fantastic looking steering wheel with that black Chevy bow tie. We have our adapter or our cruise control here. I'll get it right. I'm just so excited. There's so much to talk about. We've got our cruise control here. Have a look in the odometer. 93,432 kilometers. Nice looking gauges as well. And then over here to our driver's left, we have our 4x4 control with our trailering tow mode. And then we've got our lighting system, so automatic headlights, that nice truck in-bed lighting as well. And then give you a little kind of preview what it looks like here from a driver's perspective. Now I'm going to flip down this armrest here so you can kind of see. There we go. So now we got the full idea here. Cup holders, lots of storage here. Flipping this up, look at all the storage inside as well. All right, so this is nice. Now, in our infotainment system, you'll see we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have Wi-Fi as well, 4G LTE connection with OnStar. We have our trailer light, so this is fantastic. You can do all of your trailer light test right from this here rather than having to have someone inside the vehicle. You just hit start, jump out back, and then it's going to go through all of that, so that way you know you're hooked up fine. Our rear view camera, right? And then we also have the trailer view, so that way you can line up your hitch, so that way you don't have to have any domestic disturbances in the yard when you're trying to do that with your husband or your wife. Been there before. We've got Sirius satellite radio, again, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the nice features in this upgraded audio system that we have here. Our heating and air conditioning controls, lane keeping assist to drop the tailgate here. And then we've got, look at all the power options we have. Another regular home outlet, 12 volt, USB, USB-C, and then our integrated trailer brake controller, and our push button start is over here. We even have 2 glove boxes on the dash. So I mean, this thing is really built for work, for play, whatever the reason you're buying it, it'll definitely take care of it. And then on the key fob, we also have a remote starter as well. So that's gonna be real nice. And look, even the tailgate can be dropped right from the key fob too, which is pretty sweet. Now, underneath here, as I mentioned, we'll go through the file. If I can just reach under and grab it. There we are. So in here, Carfax, 1 owner, no reported accidents, 11 service records as well. You can view that on the Carfax. As I mentioned, it is a certified pre-owned vehicle. And then we also have our, if I can fish it out here, where did it go? Oh, there we are. We have our vehicle build sheet. So have a look at this. Look at all of the options that are on this truck, right? Look at it's page after page after page of options. And this is why I say it's such a great find. It's loaded up. It's a 6-passenger, it's red, it's a Trail Boss Z71 with 93K. I mean, come on. All right, so the next thing you gotta do is you gotta reserve this truck. That's what I recommend. Go online to our website, reserve this online so you are first in line, or, I mean, if you're quick, hurry up and make your way here to OMS where you can get behind the wheel of this beautiful looking Silverado 1500 Crew Cab Z71 Custom Trail Boss, mouthful of a truck. Just a beauty. Absolutely love it. We can't wait to see who gets behind the wheel. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and congrats to whoever picks up what I wish was my next Silverado. All right, guys, thanks for watching.